Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Diablo Immortal on your Android smartphone. So in order to do this, we'll need to have a stable internet connection. After that, go for the Google Play Store. Click on the search pool and enter Diablo Immortal like that. Now if your phone supports it, you'll be able to see it and install it right now. Otherwise you can try our fix, which we shown in our other video, if you can't find it right here. So click install. And now it will be in the pending mode, but after a few seconds it should be available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.